If you're looking to give your Conway home a fresh, inviting look, replacing your front door is one of the simplest and most effective upgrades you can make. Your front door is more than just an entryway. It's a focal point that instantly shapes a visitor's first impression of your home. When your old door looks worn out, outdated, or doesn't match the rest of your home's style, it can drag down your curb appeal. On the other hand, a beautiful new door can make your whole house feel more attractive and welcoming. A fresh look to match your style. The front door is often the first thing people notice when they drive or walk by your house. If it's chipped, faded, or dented, it can make your home look neglected even if the rest of your property is well kept. Replacing your door gives you a chance to update the entire style. Whether you love the classic look of wood, a modern steel door, or the low-maintenance appeal of fiberglass, there are many options to fit your taste and budget. Choosing a color that pops, like a bold red, blue, or even black, can help your home stand out in the best way. Better first impression. Your home's curb appeal sets the tone for guests and even potential buyers. When visitors arrive, a high-quality, attractive door tells them you care about your home. It adds a welcoming touch that reflects your pride of ownership. If you're planning to sell, door replacement can even help you get a better price. Many buyers are drawn to homes that look move-in ready, and a new, stylish door suggests the house is well maintained. Improved energy efficiency curb appeal isn't just about looks, it's also about function. Older doors can let in drafts and raise your energy bills. Today's replacement doors are built with energy efficiency in mind, featuring better insulation and weather stripping that help keep your home comfortable year-round. When your door looks great and helps you save on heating and cooling, it adds value in more ways than one. Increased security. A new door can also mean greater peace of mind. Modern doors often come with updated locking systems and sturdier materials, making it harder for intruders to break in. That sense of security is valuable for you and reassuring for future buyers if you ever decide to sell. Low maintenance option. If your current door requires constant scraping, sanding, or painting, replacing it can make your life easier. Many of today's doors are designed to resist warping, rotting, or fading, which means less time spent on upkeep. That means you can enjoy a beautiful front entrance with very little maintenance, keeping your home looking polished year after year. Tying it all together. When you replace your door, you can also think about updating other elements like hardware, house numbers, or lighting. A fresh door handle or a stylish porch light can tie the entire entryway together, making your home look more cohesive and well-designed. Final thoughts. Door replacement is a simple but powerful way to boost your Conway home's curb appeal. A new door creates a warm, welcoming look, improves energy efficiency, and can even increase your home's value. If you're ready to make a change that truly transforms how your home looks from the street, investing in a new front door is one of the smartest moves you can make. Your house will thank you for it, and so will anyone who comes to visit.